Hello, everyone. Very good evening, a very good evening from India. And thank you so much for sparing out your time for this info session. And now we comes once in a month, so it's full of updates. So be with us. First, we will give information for the newcomers, and then the updates will be starting. There are list of updates because so many things are doing week by week, day by week, and in a month, it's many updates. And thank you so much for coming. And let's start with that, what project we are supporting, what is SkyWorld community, how you can come forward if you're new here, if you're already a leader or at some rank like master or a partner. So how you can avail more and more version, what is going on with the company, how far the project has reached, when you will be having the possibility of having a dividend. So everything we will discuss in this info session. So if my voice and I'm clear, I'm visible to you and audible to you, please put it in the chat if everything is fine. So let's start with it. So we are the SkyWorld Community India, and welcome to this info session, the SkyWorld Community India. And today is the 19th July 2024. Myself, Parul Sharma, Speaker and Community Manager at HWC India. This is a certification of achievement, and I'm proud to be as a community manager at SWC for India. As you can see the certification on the right-hand side, and the reason behind to show it to you only this, that when we say that there are so many opportunities, yes, it's true. It's real, you can avail it. You just need to prove yourself. You just need to go through the trainings. You need to pass the test, and then you will get the certification, and then you will get the financial independency also, and the experiences of working on a global level, on an international level. So she is Kat Jacobs. First, she is as in the partner program in SWC. She is a top expert, a very top rank, and the curator of India as her responsibility. So the curator, if I define the person who is responsible on the behalf of the company for the activities of company in any region. So in India, she's our curator for anything. We can reach to her if you listen, see any of her posts or anything that she post or she write, you can rely on it because it's fully official. She has in her personal life, she has a 23 years of experience for personal leadership, well-being, consciousness. Both she is a motivational speaker also. If you want to reach to her, then you can write a mail at india@skyway.capital. We have our admin team. We have our whole SWC India team. We will be there to assist you for anything related to project, related to SkyWorld community. So now we will talk about purpose of the event. Yes, definitely. First of all, it's to inform you of the opportunities that we are offering. Second, that this presentation will be in a 3 parts. First, there will be a one part, one portion, where we will talk about the Smart World community, which is an educational platform, which is free for everybody of our community. That means if you're already registered on SkyWorld community, then you can be a member of our educational platform also, which is we call Smart World community. Then there will be introduction about the Uniskis technology that we support. That's a major and the grand project we are supporting, and its update that how far we have reached and how proud we feel about it. Then there will be questions of yours we will be taking. If you have any question, they are welcome in the last session of this info session. Sorry. And it will be off record. It will not be on recording to keep your privacy and to give you the freedom to talk on in the session and on the platform. So let's start. First of all, we will know what is SkyWorld community. So it is a large international social and financial ecosystem specializing in the financing of green tech technologies, and we partner and support in the development of international technological startup. And our slogan is living in style, SkyWorld community, a new level of community, a new level of partners where the like-minded people can come, share their experiences, share their work together as a team and help each other to grow in a personal and in a professional life. So first of all, I would request you to give a name to this picture, whatsoever is coming in your mind. So if any name which you want to give to this picture. So if you ask me that, I will say that there are many people who have different success goals in their life, but everyone want one thing which is going towards the light, that is success, right? It depends that what goals we have, but ultimately we want the success and the positive things in our life, and how we can get it, how Skyward community can help you to achieve it. So be with me through this info session. So if we talk about SWC, it's a community of people united by strong ideas and meanings. And why now is the time for communities? What influenced this? Why we are talking about the communities nowadays? Because we have did a survey, and according to that survey, we all know that we came to know that 70% of people in the world feel alone. Yes. And there is a decrease in energy level. There are burnouts. There are problem of self-determination. Everybody is in a dilemma that what we are, what we want to do. Sometimes we know that what we want to do, but we don't know the answer of how. So this is a platform where you can come, you can have a financial freedom, you can have a personal growth, you can have a professional growth also. So community is one of the key human needs this time, along with the food, clothes, shelter. Now we need a community of a like-minded people also. So we not all know about the economic crisis, that it is the inequality and society stratification, a sharp decline in the share of the middle class. If I give you the very conclusion of this slide, that richer are becoming richer and poor are becoming poor day by they are not bothered about that, whether they want to go ahead in their life or to have a success, right? So for the middle class, they have their aims, they have their goals, they know what to do, but they don't have an answer how to do, where to go. We all know about fraud, scams, everything. So this is something which is a very what to say, that very trustworthy platform where you can come and achieve it. And that's why I put a one certification of mine as a community manager in the first slide, so that you can relate with my words. So there are many professions which we know that they are going to be disappear. I would like to have a answer from you. Which profession do you feel that they will be disappear soon? Or if you are in offices, if you are in a corporate world, you already know there are many professions which are going disappear. Because robotization and the subsequent extinction of many professions. So what our survey is saying, that sellers, call center operators, miners, aircraft pilots, accountant, courier, cashiers, taxi driver, guides, this will be disappear. So this is something we need to think about it, whether maybe we are not in this profession, but our near or dear ones will be in this profession. So what should we suggest to them? What should we suggest to ourselves for it? So the answer is that make yourself best. With the good, it will not go further. You have to be excellent at your skill, that no robotization or will can replace you. You will become irreplaceable. We all know about the environmental crisis, overconsumption of sources, natural resources, non-recyclable and unsorted waste, emission, air, land, water pollution. We all know about it. Now there is a one new crisis which is going on, which we call the information crisis. So information overload and the large number of unverified, unreliable facts. So what is this information crisis? When we have so many information, I just give you one real life example. We all know how we all do have a phone, right? Mobile phone with us. There are numbers of applications which we download, which we get already downloaded. So if you put your phone 5 minutes on a table, it will be started with the notification tone, turn, 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 and you will have 100 of notification in, I think, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's called information crisis. When the information is so much overload that you can't decide, that you encounter on a daily basis is growing, and reliability is often lost. When you can't decide which is truth, which is false, which is right, which is wrong, right? It is called information crisis. When the decision is noticeably reduced, the effectiveness of decision is reduced. So we become like, okay, we have many things, but we don't know what is right. So just shake off the weight of negative trends. Let's go back to here and now and start talking to your neighbor on your left hand. How you can start is, some people have how to initiate. So you can start with a very normal conversation. Who are you? What do you do? Any unusual fact about yourself, what you like, what you don't like. Because sincere communication is equal to unification. And this is a time of unification when every information is filtered and is where you can rely on that information. So the future is already here. The main positive trend is unification. The information should be filtered and very short and very crisp, and it should be readable and understandable. Main goal, the mission and vision of the Skyworld Community Development is to build a single, trusting space of like-minded people with entry through training, where the community member will feel their personal growth, find a strong environment, and get a financial motivation they need. These three things, I think everybody in this info session needs it. We want financial motivation, strong environment where we can talk about ourselves, our growth, our success, right? And the personal growth also. So, but few people think that, okay, we are alone, what we can do, I'm just one person. No. With the foundation of the single principle that one partner can attract new one, you have the potential to attract 6 new people in your life. I'm talking about the like-minded people, not all people. With this principle, now we have a 6 lakh partners worldwide. 182 countries we are, and they on the 25 languages. So no barrier is there, language barrier, the boundaries barrier, nothing is there. Everybody is united. And what is a common? That they have a human connection and they want to work as a team, and they want a growth of everyone, not for them, but for everyone. So the SWC community has all the conditions for your growth. As I showed you in the previous slides, that environment of like-minded people, a regional chat room where you can talk about, and the channel, social media channel, we always share the links with you for new acquaintances and sharing experience. Please engage yourself on this channel so that we can know you, you can know us, you can know the company well, as well as the opportunity to be among the first to know all the official company news. If you are on a right channel, my team member will share all the links of the official channel links on the chat. Please follow those so that you will be the first person who knows the right information about the company at first hand, and you can transfer it to your team also. So SWC community has everything you need to grow: personal and professional development, regular useful broadcast on Telegram. We always share updated news. Instagram, you always get the related news, reels, shorts, what do you like? Zoom for new knowledge and exchange of experiences. Please engage yourself and tell your partners, your team also to get more engaged so that we can know each other and we can help each other if we have any challenge to come into SWC or supporting the project. What other things we also have the events. We who participate in events. We have international travel forums, conferences, trips to inspire, learn, and drive further development. You can see the picture on the right hand side. It is our community. Major regional to scale up. Local business breakfast is also there. Marathon is also there. Environmental action, so you can save your nature also, for sharing experience and mutual contribution, where you can feel that, okay, I'm at a place where I have a people of who thinks about the benefits of the community for themselves and for others also. Lifestyle events also we do have for sharing pastime and emotions. So first of all, I would like to know that which of you would like to try your hand at one of the roles. We have so many opportunity. It is a growing company, developing company, and we are coming with many opportunities. You just need to be best at your skill, or we are even giving the training also, so which will be help you to be the best. So please share what it would do for you. An opportunity to express oneself and grow professionally through new roles. You can be a speaker, you can be a mentor, you can be a community manager in the city like me or in the country, event organizer also. Now we are doing the offline meetings also, and we are wishing that the big events we will do offline. So we will be in a need of an event organizer also. So SWC will be possibly can have one event in India. They are doing in a different countries also. So India could be the one where the event could be organized. So we will be in a need of event organizer. So there are many opportunities with this company, and you can avail it. So there will be some implemented in the near future. these are in pipelines. Few already completed, few projects are going on, like a project of chatbot, which is an automated personal assistant with all the links, material, and tools you need to grow and scale. SWC Updating, a platform for business networking, experience sharing, and event participation. A new game system where you can accumulate points for useful actions and exchange them for training from the SWC. It's already project has launched. It's a pilot project and it's a game for entertainment, for exchanges experiences, and you can join it. We call it the marathon games, and where you can avail the points. You can have a gifts in the year end. If you will be on top, if you will top 5 or top 3, then you will have a beautiful visit. You can have a beautiful gift from the company. So engage yourself there also, show your presence. Offline desktop game for pumping financial thinking, save the planet. So these are something which is in near future, upcoming things. And your feedback is very important for us. Your question, your feedback. So the link will be in the chat. You can fill the form. You can rate this presentation. You can rate your speaker. You can let us know what would you like to hear from us next time. So this is the one part we have completed. Now move to the second part of this info session. This is a scanner. You can scan it also. You can take a screenshot. It will redirect you to the Google form. And you just need to give your rating and your feedback. That is most valuable to us. Now we will talk about the Smart Work community. What is it? So Smart Work community is a Turkney ecosystem with own IT platform that allows you to become the part of a global community, fully developing and improving your professional skill and competences. When we said that many professions will be disappear soon. So this is a solution what SkyWorld community is giving to us, that you can come, you can join Smart Work community, you can have the professional courses and you can make yourself excellent at your skill so that you will be no further irreplaceable with any robotization. So courses from international experts allow you to adopt global practice and incorporate their experience into your life. And it is an adaptation and training platform which is free of charge. There is no fees for registration for the people who are already with the SkyWorld community with the same credential and password. You can log in there. The link we will put it in a chat. So raise your hand, those who have their own team. Just put your partner program ranking in the chat with your contact number, with your city if you have team. So you could have a 10 people, you can have 100 people, 500,000 or many more. But putting together such a team is a hard work, which is time consuming, and we all very, very grateful to you that you're working on your own for having such a big team and handling it. But from our side, we want to give you a helping hand. We want to help you. How we can help you? Let's be with me this for the further slides. So you know that each new partner needs support, information, explanation, and care, right? Because that is our prime responsibility. If we are bringing someone to a platform, we have to assist them very well. But at a certain point, we know that every new person have the very repeated question about link, personal account, back office, chat room, installment plan, lump sum plan, document, certificate, etc. So when we start answering each of them the same repeated answer, so there are many questions we become, okay, how to answer, because we do also have 24 hours, right? And you know your potential, that how many new clients can you bring to the project in a month, right? If the team starts numbering in 1,000, just think in that way, right? If you have 1,000 people under you, then how you can assist them personally one by one for the same questions. You feel okay, but you know that you are burdened with the same question. Few will be missed, few will be answered, but we want that everyone should be assisted in a very well manner so that they feel the human connection with our company. That's why we don't call our company a company, we call it community. So how do you train everyone well without wasting a huge amount of energy and at the same time increase the result continuously? So here we made this Smart World community. We want to help you. We are helping many people. Come to us, register here. and tell your new partners to register here to have a courses for beginners so that they will know their back office very well and everything. So this is the login page you will be look like when you it will be look like when you register on Smart World Community. And it was created in order to facilitate and automate the work of the partners in order to multiply the result. If you are bringing 10 people and assisting them one by one, so you can bring those 10 people on this platform and can bring more people and can increase your uh, monthly income, also can give a more results to the company, which is a very win-win situation to all of us. So your team grows and becomes stronger when the people in it have the right information, right? You can teach people how to work in a partner program, which is a basic training, and build a team of like-minded people more effectively. And the better the people in your structure are trained, the better you communicate to them. The more development you, your team, your community, your region will achieve. So it starts with the first point. If you're forwarding the right information, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, then it will be you will have a strong team to have all the answer, at least for the basics. Because with no knowledge, we feel very weak, and with the knowledge, we feel brave. So this is, if we start doing it, this will be the structure, that how well you can convince the first person in your team depends how well they convince the next person already on their own. And thus the strength of your entire team depends on it. Because if somebody is asking a question to their sponsor or to their inviter, if they don't have it, it's not good. They will come to you, they will come to other person, and it will be a long days that the person will not have a solution of that problem. It should not be done. All the challenges the partners are facing, if they're facing any challenge, it should be sorted and solved in a very short time. So how to train 1,000 people per month? Give them a working system, and you can decide on your own that what is more profitable to you. 10 people per month, wasting personal time in answering same question and small inflow of money, or 1,000 per month people you are bringing, you have your own time, free time also, and big inflow of your money. So that decision you can take very well. Greater outcome with less effort that we want for you, and we are ready to give you a helping hand. The company has made a proper program page for you, platform for you, so use it. And you will stop managing 1,000 small processes and move on a more global and strategic tasks. So now we will talk about, if you say anyone, okay, just register yourself on a Smart World Community. What is this platform? It's a training and adaptation platform, which is standalone IT product that is designed for 4 things. First, facilitating the work of leader and curators. Definitely, your team can be trained here for the basic process. Accelerated training of new partners, effective development of experienced partner. If you will have a free time, you can think about more global strategic tasks. Rapid growth on the SWC business model. How does the platform help you at the start of your journey? First, you will come to know about the platform. Then there is a basic stage, basic training about the company and the product. First investment, attracting new partners, sales training, and then an advanced stage where the training in the team, scaling up, how you can scale up your team, how you can bring big investor or investment, sales, advanced unit. So then the advanced training will be there. How useful is for the experienced partner? The platform will help you free up time for the more global and strategic tasks. You will be able to automate the training process for all members of your team. Experienced partner will also be able to find courses for a higher level in the business model. They can think about more further things. And when it will be done on the platform, it will be notify you through the messages or through the mail, so that you can take advantage of this platform effectively, more effectively. We are available in 5 languages: Vietnamese, English, Spanish, Russian, Regis, and French is in a pipeline. It will be added very soon. If you register, then how does the training go? So there is a stages of training. First, you will register on main SWC website, which is Sky World Community, with your partner network retained. Then You will come to the Smart World community, you will register there. Then your training will be start, which you can take online from your phone, PC, tablet at your convenient time. And then you can accompaniment with the mentor. There will be a mentor who will let you know how to pass the training, how to get the certification. They will help you. You will not all alone there. There will be homework check also if any assignments is given to you, and all your questions will be answered. Our mission or of as a community of Skywell community, make 10% of the world's population financially independent. So delegate the training of newcomers to us, automate the training of novice partners, the most and the basic training, which is the most essential company and product information for those who have just joined. They should have the basic company information, partner program, and very at least answer of a frequent questions. To register the platform with the same, as I said, with the with the same login ID and password within SWC Skywell community, you can register it with the Smart World Community Educational Platform also. And new streams start every month. You can join any month. And each stream participants will be accompanied by trackers. They will help you to understand training and the platform. So we will train partners for you. By training and teaching on the platform, you can develop your own career also. As I said, we are looking for speakers, community managers, and trackers. So whenever the new opportunity comes, so please avail it. And if you will be a speaker, then you have a skill of speak to an audience on a topic in which you are an expert, like marketing, digital marketing, offline marketing. If you would like to be a tracker, then you will need to help the participants receive training, share experience, and achieving results. After training and certification, you can be employed by SWC. You can have your monthly income. So this is our second section is completed. And your feedback, again, I am requesting you, it's very important to us. We have put the link in the chat, or this is a scanner. You can scan it. You can take a screenshot. It will redirect you to the Google form. Please rate this presentation and give your feedback, which is very important to us. And you can have a gift on it. You can have a gift of the as a coupon, the best coupon mobile promotion, right? You can avail it and you can use it. You can take the best deal of taking new portions or new packages on in your back office. You just fill the form. Our curator will send you the mobile promotion in your back office, and you can use it. And it's a best promotion is going on. So this is Skywell community. Now we will talk about one of the major projects we support, that is Unitsky Sting Technology. What is Unitsky Sting Technology? It is an international engineering company offering solution in passenger and cargo transportation, as well as the logistic infrastructure of the second level. The name of the technology is USky. Many people say it's Skyway, but now it is USky. The official name of the company is USky. Unitsky Sting Technology. We know about the modern transport has a lots of problems. So first of all, we will talk about how the nature is giving us challenges, because we have disturbed the nature and environment, and it's giving us an answer with the flood, right? Sandstorm, earthquakes, etc. With the cargo transportation, we already have a problems of huge traffic jams and congestion. On the other side, the Unitsky technology is giving a best solution to these challenges, transportation challenges. Like you can see the difference in the picture. Here is a huge traffic jams and congestion, and on the right hand side, it's very simplified and clear transport alternative. Even you can't imagine that something is transported from one place to another place. It's so nice to see these vehicles also. With passenger transportation, we all face, if we go to office in the morning or coming back to home, traffic snares and the massive jams. So the survey said 90% of the people reaching their office late due to traffic jams only. Not because they are sleeping late or waking up early, because of traffic jams. And this is a survey side. On the other side, Unitsky technology, USky Transport is giving us hassle-free and clean commute, because we are in air. We are not on roads. So traffic is not going to bother us. Problem of with logistic, we all know docking problem, delaying shipping, big queues, and it's impacting the market also. On the other side, we have a smooth, fast, and cheap shipments, even it's affordable also. We do have existing solution, but they are ineffective because we are not only talking about speed, we are talking about ecological vehicles, which through which we can give a very clean nature, clean environment to our next generation. Not only speed, but also greenery, good fruits, good health, good environment, good nature. And Unific technology is completing all the parameters very well, passing all the parameters very well. So these are the meetings which were held in, 4 meetings were held in the port of Antwerp in Belgium. These are the pictures from there. She's Miss Kat Jacobs. I have given you the introduction. She's my mentor and also the curator of India. She was there and she said that it was a very nice experience to attend those meetings. And when she came to know the mission and vision of U-Sky, that every country needs this, every country has a challenge of transportation. She was really amazed with the technology, very impressed with the technology, and also she was so uh, she was just like, okay, every country has this challenge. She was thinking, okay, only her country or two, three more countries will be, but no. And we know that our India needs it at most, right? Because we do have a transportation challenge. Now we will talk about what does U-Sky offer. So we have a list of vehicles with us. We are offering simplified solution for cargo and passenger transportation. We have Unwin, we have Unibike, we have Unicar, we have Unibus, and one of our favorite is UFlash, which has the highest speed of 500 kilometers per hour. And the second most important thing, its design. It's so unique. When you sit in it, it feels so lavish. And this is the experience which Miss Cat has taken this experience of sitting into it. I think I have the picture in next slides. Okay, so this is a U-Bike, U-Bus. These vehicles are on tracks. It means they are real, ready to use, and they are certified because they are on tracks in testing centers. It is U-Car. This is U-Truck. And if I give you the one USP of the U-Truck, that it can load and reload just in a 3 seconds. So you just need to turn your head and the work is done, and you will not come to know again this much work has been done. So this is so fast. U-Trans, it is in a work, the picture is in a working position of a U-Trans. It is mainly for liquid transportation and for mining purpose, and it is in a working position. This is U-Wind, and it's written 1 ton because it's not helicopter or something. It's a drone. And on the right hand side, you can see the anchor. So this U-Wind can lift this anchor of 1 ton without any help of any pilot or anybody. This is the strength of the U-Wind. It means U-Sky transportation is giving us a strength, speed, good nature, environment, fuel free, everything. So when we say that every parameter is passed in a very effective, on a very effective scale. Yeah, this is the picture I was talking about. So this is the U-Flash. You can see as the very unique and very beautiful design it has, and she is Miss Cat Checkers. And with her, he's Mr. Christian, one of our colleague, and they were in the exhibition. They were experiencing and sitting in it, and they said, okay, they are showing thumbs up because they are saying it's so good to sit in it, and they are waiting for it when they can use it in a daily life, and it's best because they are happy because they are introducing something best to the world. This is from the testing center of UConn. If you see, it's written something here, transport net cost from $1 per 100-ton kilometer. What does it mean? It means if you want to transport something, the weight of 100 ton per kilometer, it cost you only $1. In Indian price, if I say only 100 rupees for 1 kilometer for transporting 100 ton, you can imagine that how cheap and how affordable it is. How best it is, that is one part, but how affordable it is. This is a picture of Ulight. It is mainly for the hilly areas, for the remote areas. This is Seaport, linear city in unity with nature. And if you want to know more about it, we will give you the link of the website, unitsky.inc. You go there, read about this vehicle. If you have a little bit interest in engineering or you want to know more USP of this vehicle, go there, read it in detail. You will be amazed and you will be so happy that you are supporting such a grand project. Now we will talk about the author of the technology, the person behind the idea, behind the technology is none other than Dr. Anatoly Yunitsky. He's a journal designer and the board chairman of Yunitsky Sting Technology, the author of more than 150 inventions, 20 monographs, and 200 scientific papers. So it's uh, not a small thing in a one span of a life if you have these many achievements, because if in this room, if I ask anyone, do you have any inventions in your name? Maybe you have, but I don't have any invention in my name. So having a 150 invention, writing 20 monograph, giving a birth to this technology, supporting it, giving your life, your energy to it, giving your 40 years to this technology, it's not easy. He's a genius and we should give regards to him because he's thinking not only about the technology or vehicle, but also making us financial independent and also giving us a chance to give a very clean environment to our next generation, which is also most important, what we are giving to our next generation. She's better half of Dr. Anatoly. She's Nadzera Kostreva. She's a journal director. She takes care of all the business activities and he takes care of all the technology and the engineering part. Now we will talk about the patents, certificates, and the exhibitions. So there are 130 patents worldwide from China to Australia, and it seems very good to see them on a one wall. These are the initial design and trials when we started in 2014, and it was the initial design of the vehicles and the trials, and now we have a much modified and the certified vehicles with us. International exhibition from Singapore to Berlin, and we exhibited the U-Flash there. You can see the picture, Dr. Anatoly was there. And there is a very interesting story behind it that when the event was going on, exhibition was going on, it was unrevealed. U-Flash was unrevealed. Everybody was reading about the company, reading about reading the brochures, talking to each other. And when it's going to be end or before half an hour or 1 hour, one cloth is it's covered with a one cloth, and when it's revealed or they taken off the cloth which is over the U-Flash, then they were amazed with the design, how unique design it has, how lavish design it has, and it took the attraction of everyone. It gets the attraction of everyone. So this was very interesting to know that, and it has a higher speed, 500 kilometer per hour also. So restoration of installment during the maintenance period, and the company is working on it. If you find some at some time, if your site is slow, you are trying to register, you're trying to log in if the site is slow. So the team behind it, technical team, IT team is working on it. So my suggestion is that try on a odd time, like late night, you can try it, because many people are looking into their back office, paying their installment, logging in back office, or looking into the website. If you feel that it is slow, then after 1 hour or 2 hour in the late time, some odd timings, you can use it. When the traffic is low, it will work properly. New scientific publication on UST transport in a specialized magazine. So this is one of the updated news. It is your in the back office. My request that please start logging in your back office, start reading the updated news. We also publishing on our channels. Subscribe them and see all the news so that you can come to know, if you're already supporting this project, that how far we have reached, and you will feel proud that you supported this project. And if you're new, then you will feel the excitement to support it and to register in SWC and supporting the Uniskin Sync technology. Then comparison of UST transport with the Muller Airbus and the Wuppertal suspension railway. These are the two transportation medium. So we compared with UST, and when you read this article in full, I have published in all our channel, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, everywhere. You can read it on Facebook also, right? You can read it. You can read it in your back office also. You will come to know that how grand project it is. That if I tell that when we do the comparison, we start feeling more proud of it. This excellent technology we are supporting. Then UST representative office steps up activities to implement the transport and the infrastructure complexes in Indonesia. UST solutions can be integrated into seaports also. This is also one of the good news. Samara State University hosted a lecture from representative of UST. Representative of Jiangsu Park Innovation Research Institute familiarize themselves with USky solutions. So you can see that everywhere in every country, this technology is getting the attention. And with the open arms, they are welcoming this technology in their countries. They are waiting for it, and we have to support it if we want to bring it in India. We have to fast, we have to read every news, we have to support it, we have to wake up our partners and everyone nearby us. We start talking about it so that we can bring it as soon as possible to India. CARET Universe set a new speed limit also. UST technology was represented at the leading higher education institution of Belarus. Business media office live about UST scientific activity. So there is much going on. Please read the news. SWC team message, be careful when communicated in the messages. So you should save your password, your login, and be very careful when you are communicating in the messengers of the SWC, right? So UST engineers set out to improve the running characteristics of ULIGHT, investing in environment, fashion trend, or profitable investments. Size of the green economy 2023. You can read in on our social media in details. I'm giving you the headlines of all the news and the updates. Updates on the interaction with the partners during temporary disruption of the personal account operation. I told you, if you feel that the site is slow or something, you can't log in. So wait for some time or try to log in late night. On odd timings, it will work properly. Because of the traffic, because of huge traffic, it happens. Answer to frequent questions about the CARET complex, that so many questions were there and the company has answered. There are beautiful pictures also they have shown to answer it. Read in the social media channels, read in your back office. So you will come to know, if you want to know something about the CARET, you have each and every answer. How it will be work, whether they will be seated for special able people or not, at what temperature it can manage at 55 degrees Celsius, at 45 degrees Celsius, how it will be done, how the electricity be saved, right? They can how they can create the electricity, save the electricity. So there are many questions, and you will be amazed with the technology. It's not only about the transport, but also, as I said, saving the natural resources, saving your environment also. CARET races with the uses of power supply from the track structure started in USky. So there is a unique property that they can create the power, they can generate the power, and they can store in the first part of the CARET. You can see they can store here and they can use it further. So there is no wastage of the electricity also. They can generate the power, can store it like a camel, and then they can use it. So just think about that, how advanced this technology is. UST solution was also presented at the ITS Asia Pacific Forum 2024 in Indonesia. These are the pictures from there. USky's Transport CEO participated in the Sri Park podcast also. New award of Skyworld community leaders. So they are the people of Skyworld community. and they got the awards for New Sky World Leaders today. Then we have put the video also that the SWC co-founders on the modernization of the personal account, new opportunity and the prospects. Because I said that it's a developing company, it's a growing company, many opportunities are coming. Become a Skyway World Community Brand Ambassador. We have put so many posts about it. So if you have filled the form, you might have got the mail also. It was notified by the personal email. You can check your personal email if you get the invitation to join the training, to join the Telegram group. If you have selected as a brand ambassador, start training the project. They are giving some assignments also. Complete your assignment, take your certification. As I said, you can be employed by SWC. Don't miss this opportunity. This is for your personal and professional growth, giving you financial independency. Exclusive promotion and activities for partners. For the Rajasthan discount coupon was going on, but you need to fill the form till 12th of July. Till 12th of July, if you have filled the form, there is a coupon. It's in your back office. If it's not, then please reach to us or write a mail to support. They will help you to use this coupon. It is 1:80 and 1:85, depends which package you are going to buy. So it will come, I think, in August again, not confirmed, but yes, you need to fill the form till 12th July. So Prodelo Media Resource published a report on the U4 2020 Unibus. And also UST is working on a transport infrastructure solution for a South Asian country, Indonesia. You can just see the names of the country. Every country is invading, and we have to be more united, working together to bring this technology to our country, to India. Students of Ahmedabad University visited U-Sky Transport. Our university are also taking initiative for their students to get to know about this technology. Our students are getting to know that this technology exists, this technology is there. So why we can't work united, why we can't work together to bring it? Because when the people are united, the good things always happen for the country. University Singh Technology has started a blog in the well-known popular science edition. And good news, financing of the world's first biohumus plant, Uterra, will close on 30th September. It is a very good news that it will be not, you can buy it, but further it will not be in a private sales after 30th September when the biohumus plant, what's first biohumus plant is Uterra, and it will be closed on 30th September. It will be taken by one big investor. Because the project, I said, when we are giving the info session and webinar, we always say that is a grand project. It is a super project. And for India, where the 70% its population is in an agriculture department, and our GDP is coming from agriculture, major GDP is coming from agriculture department, this should be in India. So it's a very good project. And when the product will be launched, when it will be started becoming, they will start produce the product, then it will be superb. Then we will talk about the production and the result, that what we are doing with fundings, what do we have, our office and everything. So first of all, I will show you the picture of Eco Technopark, who are new here. It is in Marina Gorka. And if you zoom in the picture, this is a testing car where all the vehicles get tested. It has a 7 testing tracks and all the vehicles get tested on it, whether they are working properly or not. And you can see that there are ponds, there are trees, fruit trees, greenery everywhere. And the reason behind it, just to give an idea to the visitor who come here, that technology is not about to disturbing the nature, to killing the environment. Technology could be, vehicles could be ecological, technology and speed. Your country can have it, but not on a cost of nature and environment. You can still have a good nature, you can still have a good environment to give it to your future generation. We have one more testing center, UST Innovation Center in Sharjah in UAE. And this is on left hand side, you can see the picture with you. We all know that UAE is a sandy area, right? Very hot temperature here. And on the right hand side, you can see that there is greenery, many people are facing the camera happily, flowers are there, it is because of biohumus fertilizer Uterra. They have used it there also and it gave the best result. That's why the project is completing very soon. Financing is getting completed soon. We do have our office. It's in Belarus, where more than 600 employees are working. This is the mail ID where you can write info@unitsky.com. The contact number is also there. So this is the official building of Unitsky Sting Technology, and this is for the picture from the testing center. All the employees, engineers are facing the camera happily because they are introducing something best to us and to the world. We do have our own factory. First, we have this area only, the view and do and white. But when we came to know that yes, every country needs having a transportation challenge and they want this solution, they want, and it's attracting all the countries. This technology is attracting all the countries. Then we have to expand the area as per the demand. So this is from pictures from the factory, the pictures of engineers and they are working on the vehicles day and night. And now USky is well understood and established. This is there is no need to say it because I have show you so many slides in which there is a name of each and every country, right? And when we say that it is well understood, because since 2014 when it was started till now in a span of just 10 years, already 150 international delegations have visited the USky Center and it's attracting the eyes of every person. Website is ust.inc. Go there, read about vehicles, read about technology, read about the author of the technology, how they work, and our testing centers also, you will get each and every information there. Updates also, news also about the project. Dr. Anatoly has his own page for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Please follow him, like him, give your regards, give your good comments to him and compliment him because he's giving his full energy and gave 40 years of his life to this technology to make our life easier. So this is, I think, he deserves the respect and the good words because he says every time that when he reads the good things on his pages that people is liking the technology, it motivates him to do good for the society more. And again, in this, your feedback is very important. This is a scanner. Please scan it. Just join the people who just joined. If you scan it, it will redirect you to the Google form. You just need to give the rating to the presentation to the meeting, and you will have the gift as a mobile promotion coupon. You fill the form. We will have an ID of yours. We will send you the curator will send you the mobile promotion coupon, which is I think 1:75 is going on. For $1, it is 75 portion. And if you buy any package on lump sum, if you buy on installment, it is 1:70. For $1, there will be 70 portions. And the $250 will be the minimum for buy the package, but you will have a good discount offer. These are our channels. When I said that please engage with us, on Telegram, we are on SWC India on Facebook, swc.in on Instagram. These are the QR codes. Please, you can take a screenshot and scan it, and you can join us. You will have all the official news there. On the behalf of our curator and top expert, Ms. Kat Jacobs, myself, speaker and community manager from the SkyWorld community, we create the future and finance it. So if you want to reach to us, please write a mail at india@skyway.capital. We will be happy to assist you for anything regarding SkyWorld community, regarding the Unitsky technology, regarding project. So please reach to us as soon as possible. If you're facing any challenge, don't delay it. Don't hesitate to reach to us. As soon it will be clear, resolved, it's good for you. It's good for us also. So thank you so much for joining me in this info session. The contact number is here. It's available on the WhatsApp. You can note down. Thank you so much. Take care. Do something for your society, for the nature, for the environment. Take care of yourself, your near and dear ones. Thank you. Now we will off the recording. If you have any question, please ask. I will try my level best to answer your questions.